Okay, I'm just going to dust down this little section. This is the only little section I got left right here for dusting it down. But I just want to show you why I'm dusting it down. Now, understand, I did this in cover coat. This mud's a little harder than regular topping, even all-purpose. This mud's a little harder than all-purpose, so it does not sand easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm not trying to remove any mud. I'm just trying to remove any high spots, anything that's going to cause blisters, ridges, stuff like that. So I'm just trying to make it a little bit smoother, so when I do 12 box this, it's beautiful. So I'm not, I've gone and turned the number down. I don't have it full blast, and I don't have it full blast, and I don't have it completely off too. Probably about halfway. So here, this is full blast. This is halfway. This is almost off. This is about halfway. And that was it. Everything else I dusted off already. But I just wanted to show you. I just dust it really, really quickly, really, really easy. And now it's ready to skim. I'll also run the camera when I'm putting my skim coat on with the 12 box. Okay, I hope you can see the ceilings okay. I'm boxing them right now. Running a 12 box just to get my final coat on it. Hey, I'm down here, I'm down here. So I'm gonna run out with this first. And it's really important, guys, when you're doing stuff like this, that you go both directions. So I went that far that way, and now when I go back, I want to go over it again. It takes a lot of the little bubbles out that are in there. Okay, so I like to go over it twice. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to box this. I'm going to strip in between here. I'll run it out in between here. Let me take my knife and I'll just skim it out in between. And fix any of the cross-offs, the lap marks, you know, where the two pieces lapped. Like here, there's a lap mark right here around that light box. And I'll take care of all of that too. Make it really nice. We'll take it from there. It'll be good. And if you remember, when I coated this with the cover coat yesterday, I went this direction. And I ran my knife this direction. Well, it created some ridges with some high spots from the texture. So now I'm taking out those ridges. Those ridges are disappearing right now. So, and, hold on, my light can's here. This mud is relatively thin too. It's not a very thick mud. It's relatively thin, but I'll still be able to use it for handwork. I'll be able to do handwork with it. And here I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna split the difference because I can't use 12 boxes across here. So I'm gonna split the difference and skim the rest of this by hand. So there you have it. I don't think I need to show you anymore. You get the idea. So I've got a coat of Durbond on here, or a lightweight 45, and then I put a coat of cover coat on top of that. And now I've got a coat of topping on top of this because this is going to sand really, really easy. I'm going to touch this up and it'll be done, ready to paint. So you're probably not going to see any more in the ceiling. It will look absolutely beautiful. No texture anymore. You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.